Hello everyone and welcome back to Pulse 24, your weekly dive into the cutting edge of tech and AI. I'm your host, Nate, and this week we're talking about everything from surprising medical breakthroughs to the very chips that power this AI revolution, and even a bit of human triumph over machine. It's going to be a fascinating ride. And joining me, as always, is the brilliant Dr. Anya Sharma, world-leading AI authority. Anya, great to have you back.
Thanks, Nate. Always a pleasure to be here and unravel the latest in AI with you.
Fantastic. So let's kick things off with a story that genuinely blew my socks off. We're talking about an old diabetes drug, Halicin, being repurposed to fight superbugs, all thanks to AI. Now, when I first read this, I thought, wait, so AI is just rummaging through old medicine cabinets now? Is it going to find a cure for the common cold in my grandma's aspirin bottle next? It's wild.
Not quite rummaging, Nate, but you're hitting on a key point. This is a truly remarkable application of AI in drug discovery. Researchers at MIT use deep learning algorithms to screen thousands of compounds, and Halicin, originally a diabetes drug that failed clinical trials, popped up as a potent antibiotic.
So it wasn't just a lucky dip. The AI actually knew what it was looking for?
Precisely. The AI was trained on data about how different chemical structures interact with bacteria. It then predicted which compounds might have antibacterial properties, even if they weren't originally designed for that. Halicin works by disrupting the bacterial cell's energy supply, which is a mechanism different from most traditional antibiotics. This makes it incredibly difficult for bacteria to develop resistance, which is why it's so promising against superbugs.
That's incredible. So this isn't just a one-off. It opens the door for AI to find more hidden gems in existing drug libraries.
Absolutely. This approach, known as drug repurposing, significantly speeds up the discovery process and reduces costs compared to developing entirely new drugs. It's a powerful example of AI solving urgent medical crises, especially as antibiotic resistance becomes a global threat. It's a clear win for humanity, aided by intelligent machines.
Speaking of intelligent machines, let's talk about OpenAI. They've just unveiled what they're calling their most advanced AI agent to date. Now, I'm picturing something out of a sci-fi movie. A little digital assistant that can basically run my life. Can it really just take over my computer and do my taxes? Or is this Nate getting a bit ahead of himself again?
While it might not be ready for your tax returns just yet, Nate, you're not entirely off the mark. OpenAI's new ChatGPT agent is a significant leap forward in what we call agentic AI. It's designed to perform complex, multi-step tasks by interacting with your computer on your behalf.
So it's not just chatting anymore, it's actually doing things?
Exactly. It can navigate calendars, create editable presentations and spreadsheets, run code, research topics across websites, and even connect with external apps like Gmail and GitHub. The key is that it moves beyond just generating text to actually taking action. You can give it a broad instruction, and it will plan and execute a series of operations, like finding information online and then compiling it into a report.
That sounds both amazing and slightly terrifying. What about control? I don't want it ordering 1,000 pizzas to my house just because I mentioned I was hungry once.
That's a very valid concern, and OpenAI has implemented safeguards. Users retain control and can interrupt the agent at any point to clarify instructions or redirect tasks. It also requests permissions before taking significant actions, and crucially, it operates within a secure virtual environment. So, no rogue pizza orders, thankfully. This really redefines the browser experience, turning it from a passive tool into an intelligent assistant.
Fascinating. Now, for our third story, we need to talk about the unsung heroes of the AI boom, the chips. TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, just hit a $1 trillion market valuation. $1 trillion. I mean, I know chips are important, but that's a lot of zeros. Are they just printing money over there? Or is this a genuine indicator of just how massive the AI industry is becoming?
It's definitely the latter, Nate. TSMC reaching a $1 trillion market capitalization is a huge milestone and a direct reflection of the insatiable demand for advanced chips, especially those used in AI and high-performance computing. They are the world's largest contract chip manufacturer, fabricating the chips for major players like NVIDIA and Apple.
So every time someone asks ChatGPT a question, or an AI system processes data, TSMC is probably involved.
In a huge way, their 3-nanometer and 5-nanometer technologies are crucial for advanced AI processors. The AI boom is driving unprecedented demand, and TSMC is at the forefront, expanding its production capacity to meet those needs. Their consistency in meeting guidance shows just how much visibility they have into future demand for these critical components.
It really underscores how much infrastructure is needed to support this AI revolution, doesn't it? It's not just about the fancy software.
Absolutely. The software is only as powerful as the hardware it runs on. TSMC's success isn't just about their bottom line. It's a barometer for the entire AI industry. Their facilities are arguably the most important real estate in the world right now, as they are essential for pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities.
All right, we're going to shift gears now for our lightning round, where we hit you with a couple of quick headlines and get your rapid-fire thoughts, Anya. First up, the headlines have been buzzing about a human coder beating an AI in a world coding championship. My take: humanity prevails. Take that, Skynet. What say you, Dr. Sharma?
While it's certainly a triumphant moment for humanity, and a Polish programmer named Przemysław Dębiak did indeed beat OpenAI's custom AI model in a grueling 10-hour contest, it's a bit more nuanced than Skynet defeated. The AI still outperformed many other elite human programmers. It highlights that for complex, novel problem-solving requiring creative thinking, human ingenuity still has an edge. But it also shows how incredibly capable AI is becoming.
Fair enough. A nuanced victory. Next lightning round headline: AI voice cloning scams are on the rise, with one Florida woman losing $15,000. My opinion, this is terrifying. How do we stop this?
It is indeed alarming, Nate, and unfortunately these scams are becoming more sophisticated. Scammers only need a short audio sample to convincingly mimic a person's voice, often gathered from social media. The key is to be extremely cautious with urgent requests for money, especially if they come with emotional pressure. Always verify independently with the person through a known contact method, not the one they just called you from. Some families are even setting up code words for emergencies.
That's a great tip, Anya. Thank you for that. And that's all the time we have for this episode of Pulse 24. A huge thank you to Dr. Anya Sharma for her incredible insights.
My pleasure, Nate.
And to all our listeners, thank you for tuning in. Remember to keep an eye out for our next episode this Thursday. Until then, stay curious, stay informed. See you next time.